Hi everyone, Manish here from Formula. Today we'll see the best way to collect NPS feedback from users to grow your business. If you want to know more about NPS feedback, go to our blog and I'll add a link down below the video, in the description of the video. So let's get started. Open your Formula dashboard and here you will see the templates we have created for you. They are ready to use or customize. But for the sake of this video, let's start from scratch and click on the new blank form here. There you can choose the different types of forms you can create. Don't worry if you don't know how they will look like. We have added some icons here, but you can change it later when you created your form. So for the sake of this video, let's start with single page form. There you can add the title of your form. This is mandatory because you need to know which form it is. I'll write down some NPS feedback form. You can customize it based on your needs. And you can also hide this title from the general settings down here, show form title. So if you don't want it to be visible inside the form. So after adding the title, you can add the description of the form or not. Then you will add the fields to your form. So for the fields, since this is an NPS feedback form, I'll add a score 0 to 10 field here and ask how likely are you to recommend us to a friend, colleague, and stuff. Recommend us to or family. And I'll make this field required because I need the answer, and this is the most important question I'm asking my users. So I'll click on the add field tab again, and here I will add a long text field to my form, and I'll ask, tell us more about your feedback. And this is a long text field, and the user can add whatever they want and give us detailed feedback. This is not mandatory, so they might skip it. So this is the basic NPS feedback form you can build. You can add more questions here, but it's not usually recommended because the less fields you have on your form, the more likely people are to fill it. So for the submit button text, you can customize based on what you need. So I'll just add submit. And you can add a success message after each submit. I'll say thanks for your feedback. And that's it. So let's save our form and click on the go to the form button. And here we'll see our form. So my form is visible like this, and I can choose whatever I need. I can type in here and submit. And this is the customized message I added here. So anyone who has this link to the form can fill in the form and submit it. To view the results of each form, you just need to go to the dashboard and click on the form. And there you see we have one response. In the responses tab, you see the details. In the charts tab, you see some analytics on the charts, which have some figures. And you can share the form, add it to your website using the iframe tag or script tag. And this is how your form looks like when you copy the code of the iframe and paste it in a code block on your website. So each of these have their own code. You can copy them. And a widget looks like this. You can also add it as a widget. So let's say you want to change your form based on how it looks. So let's click on the menu beside the form, click on edit. And in the general settings tab, You can change it from multi-page, from single page to multi-page or widget. Let's click on widget. You can choose whether it's a full width widget, side widget, or a single step widget. A single step widget shows the whole questions in one single pop-up page. The side widget shows a widget like a button at the side of your website or your web page. And let's see how it looks. I say it's a side widget on the right. Let's save. Click on go to the form. And yeah, so here is how your widget side widget looks like. This is a button. When the user clicks on it, they will see the questions one by one, and they can reply it and give feedback and submit. So the widgets must be added to your own website because this is not how your users want to see it. You should add it to your own website, and when you copy and paste the code of the widget to your own website, you will see it this way at the right of your pages. So yeah, this is how you can create an NPS widget form. If you have any question, just comment down below. And if you want to know more about NPS widgets, just check out blog. And I'll add a link in the description box of our video. Okay, have a nice day and bye.